making blackberry syrup today, and one of the byproducts of blackberry syrup is all of the pulp and seeds that come off of the blackberry. But since I don't like to waste anything, I'm actually going to use this to make a blackberry powder. Blackberry powder is great to add to smoothies, to put on yogurt, to put on cereal. I mean, there's so many things that you can add those nutrients to. So my first step is to scrape out what's left of this blackberry pulp. And I use just a silicone baking sheet in my dehydrator because for this dehydrator, I don't actually have the big silicone mats. And then I spread it out as thin as I can. I'm a little bit limited by the size of my sheet. The thinner it is, the faster it will dehydrate. I took out a lot of the moisture when I was making the syrup, but there's still a fair amount in there that will need to come out in the dehydrator. So now I'll place this in my dehydrator at 135 degrees, and it could take anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. My blackberry pulp is all done dehydrating, and it's quite hard at this point, which is perfect because for making it powder, I need it firm. I usually wait for it to cool down. If you do this while it's still hot, then it just seems like there's still some moisture to it. So then I'll break it into pieces and put it right into my blender. It really won't make that much powder. It's incredible to me just how little there is left once you dehydrate and then blend it down. Then I'll place it on the blender and blend it on high. I really like the Vitamix because it blends it down to the point where even the seeds, you can't tell where they are. Then I'll use a spatula to make sure that I get every last bit out of the corners of it. And I'll pour it into an airtight container. For me, that's going to be a mason jar. It's a really good chance to reuse those old lids. I'll place an airtight lid on the top, and then I'll label and date it and place it in my pantry. And I'll use it within the next 6 months. And then this can be used for putting on yogurt, in smoothies, in baked goods. I mean, it's just so great to be able to save all of these nutrients after having made my blackberry syrup.